Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and make a quick video showing you a review and update of the free bot system. Now what's going to make this video different is I have two demos that I want to show you that are live and working, and I want to show you the free bot in action and how you can utilize this 21st century tool, this robot, right, to boost your sales and generate leads. As you know, most people open their messenger bot quicker than they open their emails. Okay, let's face it. We get so much spam nowadays, nobody even, you hear a ding, you don't even go look for it. But if you hear that messenger ding, you do look at your phone and you click and you see what's up, right? So that's why that this is so innovative, okay? And it's free. Now, anybody can use this tool, online, offline. Just think of a real estate agent. Just think about all the websites you go to already that have these little chat boxes in the corners and all of that. But this is different because it's integrated with Facebook, and guess what? Everybody has Facebook, and guess what? Your information is into interwebs of Facebook, right? It's out there floating in the Facebook world, right? In the Facebook matrix, your stuff is there. And Facebook is one of the biggest marketing platforms where you have Instagram, Facebook, and Google, right? And just your normal search engines. Facebook is ranking in millions of dollars because corporations are utilizing the fact that we're all on there. They're using all our data to target us and market at us. Now, that's where affiliate marketing comes in, because why? We can hack that same methodology, that same procedure, and market and get our piece of the $500 billion industry that they call affiliate marketing, right? We can get in there and make money as affiliate marketers, and that can be our business. And we can use this tool to give us the advantage, which is the free bot system that I'm going to give you for free if you click the link below. Also, while you're clicking the link below, click the thumb until it's blue and click the notification bell if you enjoy the content that I'm providing on this channel. As you know, I like just showing people how to make money without spending a whole lot of money, right? You got to spend money to make money, but you don't got to go broke trying to make money. You feel me? So anyway, let's jump right in. And the first thing I want to show you is this is the counter of the lifetime bots. And just remember that number is at 268. And I want to show you why it's important. This first video, this is your support and resource page. This first video is just going to give you a breakdown of what you're going to be presented with in the rest of the page. This is important. I would copy this like this and email it to myself, or put it on a notepad, or even better, this particular link right here, just I think it's Control-L or something like that. Bookmark this page so you can always get back to it. This is your resource page. And here is your affiliate ID number. This is the number that you're going to share to send to when you share and give this system away, okay? Now, this is a video that explains what you get, what is the bot system, and how you can use the free bot system to your advantage in any business, online, offline, even for fun. Even for fun. That's where you're going to see people putting it in their everyday posts. Anyway, here's some more resources. You have your links to share on social media, your professional written emails that you can give to a solo ad provider to run traffic. And by the way, I'll leave a link in the description box below for the All-Star Solo Ad Service. It's a premier, high-quality email traffic provider. So yes, that's another one of my things. I sell traffic. So click the link below and let me know how many clicks you want to your site via email, right? So all email traffic. So you have your banners, your personal calls, your video share where you can upload, download videos. You have your training, which is weekly, Monday through Saturday, and we all give honor and thanks and rest on Sunday, right? So that's how that works. Then you have a 3-stream income, and it tells you how you can make 3 streams of income from the free bot system. Now, this is that counter, right? So look, first stream is this. It's free system. You can have up to 100 contacts and you never have to pay anything, and you can use it for your business to get your leads, to boost your sales for any other business platform that you have. Also, if you get one of those go-getter action takers on your downline within this 100 and they start growing their team, like say once they get over 500, they're going to start paying a $10 monthly fee. And guess what you get? You get a percentage of that. And guess what? It doesn't stop there. Say you got 5 go-getters on your squad. You get commissions based on the number of people on that exceeded that $500 mark, or that exceeded, not $500, that exceeded that 101 to 500 contact list. And it trickles down from there, and you get a percentage based on that from your downline. And remember, you can only have 50 people, right? 50 contacts, but you're going to be getting a commission. So this is the component of how you get paid forever as a free member. And also the other way to get paid as a free member is you say you do exceed 500, right? And you required to pay $10 a month, but your downline is paying you, so your fee, your monthly fee is covered because your downline is paying you from your commissions, right? So you're not coming out of pocket. You break even and some, and you profit. So that's how you make money free from using a free site, just by giving away a free site, which is really a very useful tool in the affiliate marketing and any other type of business. Like I said, real estate and barbershops, whatever, you name it, you can do it. Here's your second stream of income, which is a $20 a month, and you get a percentage of that based on the number of people who are opting into this particular VIP program. And no, it's not required. I'm trying to rush because I want to really spend more time on the demo and show you the 2 demos and I want to keep the video short because I'm long-winded and I like to talk, I guess. So here's the third income stream, which is temporary. It's only for the initial pre-launch phase where you're getting people in and you're offering a lifetime membership without ever have to pay a monthly fee. So you pay a one-time fee and you can make $150 commissions. Now this is only during the pre-launch period, which is from April 19th all the way to May 21st. They extended it a little bit, but that's what they do here because of the fairness. They wanted to make sure everybody had the opportunity to share it, so they kicked it out a couple days, which extended it a couple days to the 21st instead of the 17th. And here's the breakdown of that, and that is and your contact list is down here where all your contacts are. I'm not trying to show all that information like I did last time. Okay, so where are we at? So we're on good time. So I want to move this up here, and I want to show you my bonuses real quick because I always have to show the bonuses to make sure you understand what you get when you partner with me in doing this. So here's my bonuses, and my bonuses are available to free members as well. And they're only available from April 19th through May 17th. And I know that's different, but I'm only offering these bonuses during that time to get people to really get in, and after that I'm throwing the link away. However you do that, right? So anyway, when you come down here, you get access to the Facebook group here by clicking this, and you get to see what you get as a free bot member by signing up with your free account today. Now you get access to my team rotator, which I've created, and you'll be in that rotator able to siphon my traffic between the 19th of April and the 17th of May. Now, here's something I need to explain because I've been a member of many different team rotators, and I want you to know that the rotator traffic is not specifically yours, and there's no guarantee of how many clicks that you're gonna get because this is a team rotator. And not only that, I take the rotator link and insert it into my already flow of traffic. So you are getting whatever, maybe a lead a day, maybe a lead every 2 days. Maybe you get 3 leads a day, but there's no guarantee on what you get because it's all dependent on the amount of traffic that I'm already running and that I'm offering for free, okay? I just don't want it to be a point of contention when people don't necessarily get the amount of clicks that they want or clicks that they expect, like I'm trying to rip them off or jip them when I'm offering a free service. I'm offering a team building moment, right? So I just want to make sure it's clear because I've been in other programs, like one I'm in with, I'm actually in the Michael Manziel program, and he specifically flat out tells everybody, like, listen, yes, you are part of my team rotator, but I spend thousands of dollars a day on traffic. I'm not going to give you all of it, right? You're still going to have to work. It's a free benefit to be on my team to reap some of some of the traffic, right? But you can't live off the traffic that I'm supplying. You have to get your hustle on, and you got to do it. And I'm not saying it in particular to anybody. I'm just saying that's the way that Mr. Manziel presented it to me, and that's an excellent way. So I tried to describe that on here in these descriptions. Okay, so I'm here to help. I'm not here to be a bad person. I just want to help. So anyway, next is the lifetime membership. Here's your bonuses that you get for coming in at the $497 lifetime. Like I said, I extend the free traffic rotator, right, for a couple other months. And mind you, you're not gonna get you're not gonna make $1 million off the clicks I'm sending you. Just you're gonna take part of the traffic that I'm already getting, and then you're gonna get some extra perks if you're a U.S. resident, which is this fitness watch, Bluetooth speaker, 3-night stay, and a 7-inch Android tablet. And if you're a non-U.S. resident, you're gonna get the same things except for the electronics. You'll get direct free 200 clicks to your free bot system URL only, right? Now, the onus is on you to get in contact with me to provide me your email link, or excuse me, your free bot link and everything. You have to get with me because the way the system's set up, I cannot get with you. I can't reach out to you. There's no way for me to communicate with you. So you need to get in contact with me, which here's the contact information, okay? Right here, my email address, right here, my Facebook, right here, my YouTube channel, which you're watching right now, right? So anyway, that's how you get hold of me to get your bonuses and for me to help you out in any way that I need to. So now, let's get to the most exciting part of this whole video. And that is going to the, let's drag this camera over here. That is going to the demos that I got my hands on. So the first demo is called 𝗵𝗱𝗲𝗄. So let's go here and let's click that. Okay, so voila, here's a little Barry. Discover how our free automated messenger bot can help you generate a lot more leads. Oh, here's the capture page, because as you can see, there's no real capture pages on this. Now, this is awesome, right? Because it already knows who I am. Why? Because I'm already living in the matrix on Facebook world, right? So Facebook already has my credentials, has my name, has my picture. I mean, they got it right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, yeah, continue as me, because that's me. And then it opens up a bot and it starts to dialogue with me, and it looks like it kept some of my previous conversation before. So I'll just run to the top and show you. It says you can reserve a free bot, which requires just 2 things. And there's the meme. Then it says first confirm your email where I'll be sending it to you. I tried to say skip, but then it said, nope, we need something, right? And so I had to confirm the email that I didn't think anybody had, right? And then it said they want to confirm my cell phone, but then I was like, yeah, that's enough. So I'll say yes or no. But see how it interacts with you, and it brings me into the conversation. It causes me to interact instead of me just reading the if you want something, enter your email, right? This causes me to interact, and that's more fun, and it's more easy. It's easy for the lead to interact with something more real, right? Than just being up against enter your email below to continue, right? That's awesome, right? I thought it was. That's why I had to show you. So that's that demo. And okay, so now the next demo is a specialized one for list leverage. And I want to click here and I want to show you the list leverage page and the demo for this. This one is a discover how we can make $100 a day with our 3-in-1 system income streams. And voila, here's the messenger bot again. So let's click that and it pops up and it says, hey, click the button for free info to see how we can make $100 a day. I click here, this says enter as Dean. It is probably gonna have my previous conversation, which it does. So let's just scroll up to the top and I'll show you what I just walked through a minute ago because I had to test it out to see how it worked, right? It says, hi, how would $1,000 a day do for you, right? It's life-changing, right? And I clicked life-changing and it brought up Eddie Murphy, right? And so it interacts with me because it knows my name, right? And it says, hey, we'll give you instant access free. We just need 2 things. And they make it look fun and very interactive. You're interacting with a meme, which is the box. And you're forgetting that you're being talked into how to make $1,000 a day, right? So as you keep going, it asks you a different one. It says, okay, it would be great It will be great. I interact with that, right? And it's gonna probably ask me, see, it got me making sand angels on the beach, right? And it goes to number 2. It wants me to confirm my email address again, and I'll just stop there because I already know it's going to try to make me confirm my phone number too, and I already know where that's going to take me. But anyway, you see how that works, and you see how dynamic that is, and how it draws you into a conversation, and how it wants to interact with you, and how how it's funner, if that's a word. It's more fun when you feel like, you know, you're not just at a blank wall, enter email here. You know, it's more interactive. It draws you in. It allows you to, it's more alive, right? Dynamic. So anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. I just wanted to do those quick demos and let you know really what the free bot is and how it works. And that's all that I got. So I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope that you really enjoyed the demonstration of the 2 free bots that I showed you. Like I said, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for hanging out, and I'm out.